Hello everybody. Today we're going to be learning a new lesson on algebraic thinking, or having your students think more about algebraic thinking. And part of learning about algebra is learning the reasoning or the in-depth meaning of symbols. So today we're going to be focusing more on the equal sign. And the equal sign is a symbol within algebra that is not well known, or students don't necessarily understand the meaning of it, and it is a very important key concept that students must learn in order for them to be proficient with algebra and for them to move on to the higher levels within high school and even college. So this, I didn't necessarily have the resources available to me right now, but you could imagine that, say we have a 1 right here. If you think this weighs 1 unit or 1 gram or 1 pound, and then we have 2 units or 2 grams or 2 pounds, and then you would have a scale, so you could put on the 3 on one side, so then the scale tips way down to the 3, and you would have the students put numbers on until it equals out. So put the 4 on, it wouldn't work. Put the 2 on, it starts to wobble a little bit, and then you put the 2 and the 1 on, and the 2 and the 1 equal the 3. And they can see that because 1 plus 2 equals 3. And you can do that for all different numbers. You can do 4, 5, and a 4 and a 1. You could do a 4 and a 2 and a 2, all different types of numbers. And this really starts to have your students start creating their own generalizations and own understandings of the equal sign in equations, because the equal sign shows that both sides are equal no matter what. So it doesn't have to be numbers on both sides. It could be a variable. So we could have a mystery card. So we could have a question mark or an X on one side, and students have to try to figure out how much is on that. So they could put on different numbers and different combinations of numbers to try to find that answer. And this is a great activity to do, and it's fairly simple. Once you have the materials, they last a very long time, and it allows them to really develop a sense for what the equal sign actually is.